Guys, I was watching Martha Stewart and Snoop Dogg talk, and she was saying one of the things that Snoop Dogg taught her was how to cut the bacon in half and cook it, and it cooks so much better and it's so much easier to eat. So what I did was I cut my bacon in half. I just cut the whole package in half with the scissors and just stacked them like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven for 20 minutes on 400. Make sure you check it, and I'll come back to you guys and let you know how it is, because I always cook my bacon on that amount of time, but I never cut it in half. So let's see how it goes. All right, if you post below, go ahead and post below if you cut your bacon in half, and let me know how you like it. Hey guys, I think Snoop is onto something. These little pieces, they are so bomb. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to lay them on a paper towel and let them cool. First I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put them on paper towel to let them cool and drain. So if you are wondering, cutting them into pieces, does that make it better? Yes, and it cooked better too. I got another one inside the oven. All right, guys, that would be my new way of cooking bacon. Cutting it in half and cooking it in half. So I always liked it in the oven. So if you have not tried it in the oven, try it in the oven. Thank you, Snoop and Martha. It's so nice and crispy, huh? Try some.